As you add more contacts, companies, and opportunities to your ACT database, you may find that it becomes tricky to manage all of this data. Addresses and job titles change fairly often, and so it becomes a challenge to make sure everything is current. In ACT, there are 3 edit options available to help, and they are Replace Field, Swap Field, and Copy Field. In this video, I want to show you how to use these 3 options to update multiple records in ACT. Let's say that I want to clean up the title field in my database so that the values are more consistent. Now, I have some contacts who are listed as presidents and some who are listed as CEO. These both really just mean the same thing to me, and so I don't want separate values in my database. I want to change all the contacts listed as president to say CEO. So first, let's do a lookup. I'm going to click the lookup menu at the top of the screen, and I'm looking for contacts who have a title that is equal to president. I'll click Submit to perform this lookup, and it appears there are 23 records that I need to change from president to CEO. Now, I could do this one by one, but it would take me more time than I want to commit. Instead, I'm going to use the Replace Field function to change them all at once. So after doing your lookup, go to the Edit menu and then click Replace Field. This launches the Replace Data window, and in the Replace Contents Of dropdown, we want to make sure we choose the field we're interested in, which is the title field. And then in the Value field, I'm just going to type in CEO. And now I'll click OK. ACT warns me that this operation will modify all of the records in the current lookup, and that's why we performed the lookup first before making this change. So I'm going to click Yes. And now we can see in these 23 contact records, the title has been changed to CEO. Now, in a separate issue, I recently noticed that the contact records for the company Swift Current all have an error. What's happened is the address 1 and address 2 fields have been swapped. So I want to find the contacts from this company. Again, from my lookup menu, I'm looking for contacts, but I'm looking for contacts whose company name contains Swift Current. So I'm going to click Submit to perform this lookup. And now in my list view, I can see that my address 1 contains suite information, while address 2 contains street information. And I need to swap these 2 fields for all of these contact records. Again, I could do this one by one, but that would be an utter headache. So instead, I'm going to go to my Edit menu and choose Swap Field. From here, I'm going to swap the contents of address 1 with the contents of address 2. Now I'll click OK, and ACT will again let me know it's going to make these changes to every contact in the current lookup. So make sure you do the lookup first before you use any of these edit functions. I'm going to click Yes, and now ACT has swapped the address 1 and the address 2 fields correctly. Now finally, for these same contacts, I noticed that their mobile phone number should really be the same as their business number. So I want to copy all of the mobile numbers for each contact into their business or phone field. Since I've already done my lookup, I can just start by going to the Edit menu, and this time I'm going to choose Copy Field. In the Copy Contents Of dropdown, I'm going to choose Mobile Phone because I want to copy from mobile phone to the regular phone field. Now I'll click OK. I get my warning once again, and I'll click Yes. And now ACT has copied all of the mobile phone numbers from each contact into the phone field for each contact. So notice that these 2 fields have identical data, even though each person has a different phone number because a copy has taken place.